Finding the best Bluetooth speaker for your particular needs can be a tricky business, that is, if you don't come to us first. Every online manufacturer from Apple to Ultimate Ears is vying for a bite of the Bluetooth cherry and by association, your hard-earned dollars, but which model is most worthy of your precious coin? Fret not, we've rounded up our pick of the best Bluetooth speakers across all shapes, sizes and prices to make sure you find a product you love. The key thing is to avoid opting for the first Bluetooth speaker that catches your eye. Yes, it might be a looker, but is it the best? Since the two of you will likely be together for quite some time, reading our independent review of the product, and maybe a few reviews of competing products in the price category, is time well spent. You might discover a few features you didn't know you could get for the money. A few points to consider. Will your Bluetooth speaker be used purely at home? In that case, you'll want something mains powered. Do you want to be able to build a multi-room system around it? A smart Bluetooth speaker with a voice assistant baked in might be something to consider. Want to be able to throw